Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheap and easy battle map for Dungeons and Dragons or for Pathfinder. Really easy to do using very few items. You can create a reusable battle map that you can use time and time again and add some more depth to your game. Now there are some very expensive battle maps and things that you can buy out there to enhance your experience. But if you don't have a lot of money like me, you can still create something really cool and cheap that you can help visually, move your story along or visually set up your battles. So really cool. And then you could use paper miniatures on your battle maps. And I have a video that shows you how to make these really inexpensive paper minis that look really cool. I got some of them here, and I'll show you those a little bit later when we place them on the battle map. All right, so let me bring the camera in a little closer and show you what we're gonna do and just how easy it is. First, what we need is some kind of grid paper. Now there is this really expensive dice paper or gaming paper that you can get, and it has these nice little grid lines on there. And it's a pretty decent color, like tan with green lines that you can buy. Or something that's even cheaper and cool is you can buy wrapping paper, or if you just have some scraps of wrapping paper laying around that you may not be using to wrap presents, or you probably might even have some rolls of wrapping paper lying around. And a lot of times the wrapping paper will have cut lines on them, which are pretty much the same size as like the gaming paper, like a little 1-inch square. So it works perfect and super cheap. A roll of wrapping paper is like $3 compared to a roll of gaming or dice paper. So really cool. All right, I'm gonna put this down and just show you how easy it is. What you wanna do is go to a fabric store, and a lot of times they will sell a clear vinyl, and it's pretty cheap to buy. Just this clear piece of vinyl, right? And then what we'll do is you place your scrap of wrapping paper on your table where you're playing, and then we will put our vinyl over it, and now we have a battle map game board that we can draw on. And if your vinyl is not laying down flat, a lot of times what I will do is just take some masking tape and just tape down the corners. But this is doing pretty well how it is. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's all you do. Now you have this cool little battle map. So we have this, and then you can take your dry erase markers, depending on the colors that you have, and you can draw some kind of little scenario here. Let's say we come in here, maybe it's some kind of a cave or something, and then each square represents 5 feet. And then let's say this is some like a knoll layer. Got some hyenas. And then we have our heroes are coming in. And like I mentioned, if you're having a problem with your vinyl laying down flat, just stretch it out and then tape it down, and it's with some masking tape, and it works great. And here we have it, a nice little battle map, super easy to create. And then once you're done with the battle, and the grid lines are already there, so you can, each space is 5 feet, so you can tell the movement of your character. Really cool. And then when you're done, you just come in here, because it's dry erase, and it's on the vinyl, you can just erase it off. And it's ready to be used for the next time. Isn't that awesome? And there we have it, a super cheap reusable battle map to use for Dungeons and Dragons or Pathfinder or any other game that might need a reusable surface that has different squares for movement purposes. Super awesome. I'm Matt Taylor. This is my variety channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Until next time, happy gaming, everyone.